10 out of 10. What's up, y'all? I'm back again with another video. I am about to do the cucumber trend that's been floating around all over TikTok. I got the cucumbers, smoked salmon, whipped cream cheese chives, the onions, the accents, and we're about to put all this together and see what it do. A few of my pickled onions, just a little bit. I'm gonna add some dill. Half of it. Put it in there. I got to tell y'all, I'm gonna add the everything bagel seasoning, pepper, and some complete seasoning. A little bit of this. Just a little bit.